Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
La 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 la. Come along and sing with me by the pond so bright and free.
Tiny feet and fluffy too. Wave hello, how do you do?
Two little yellow ducks by the water blue. Splash, 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 they giggle too. Swimming close and having fun. Counting ducks is number one.
Three little yellow ducks in a happy line. Quack together, sound so fine. Left and right they waddle away. Three little ducks shout hooray!
Four little yellow ducks jump and play, chasing bubbles in the sunny day. Round and round the pond they skate. Counting ducks is really great.
Count with me! Count with me! 1, 2, 3, 4. Little yellow ducks we adore. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning numbers is so sweet.
Five little yellow ducks go quack, quack, walking proudly, never slack. Feathers shiny, eyes so bright. Five little ducks feel just right.
Six little yellow ducks swim in a row. Side by side they gently go. Soft waves splash, the sun shines late. Six little ducks are feeling great.
Seven little yellow ducks sing a tune, quacking happily to the moon. Almost done, let's count some more. One more number to explore.
8 little yellow ducks say goodnight. Stars above are glowing bright. Quack, quack softly, voices slow.
Sweet duck dreams drift and go. La la la, quack, quack, quack. Sleepy ducks are taking a nap.
It's time to say goodbye. We had a fun day. See you again real soon. Hip